Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to sign documents on WhatsApp. First, make sure your document is ready, ideally as a PDF or an image file like a JPEG. You'll also need your signature prepared, either as a digital image or a clear photo of your handwritten one. This preparation step is crucial for a smooth process. Once everything is set, open WhatsApp and find the chat where you want to send your signed document. It's a straightforward process that takes just a few moments. Now let's attach your document. In the chat, tap the paperclip icon, then select Document if it's a PDF or Gallery if it's an image. Choose your prepared file. WhatsApp will open it in a simple editor. Here's where the magic happens. Use the markup tools. You can draw your signature with the pen tool, or, even better, insert your pre-saved signature image directly onto the document. Position it carefully for a professional look. After adding your signature, precise placement is key. Simply drag and drop your signature image to the exact spot where it needs to be on the document. If it's too large or too small, use the pinch to zoom gesture to easily resize it until it looks just right. Take a moment to double-check the placement and size. You want your signature to appear as if it was physically signed, maintaining a professional and clear appearance on the document. Finally, with your document perfectly signed, it's time to send it. Look for the Done or Send button, usually located at the top or bottom of the screen, and tap it. You can also add a brief caption to give your recipient some context about the document. After sending, quickly confirm that the document appears in the chat window. This simple method allows you to sign and share important papers efficiently, all within WhatsApp, saving you valuable time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.